Hello, hi guys. Come on, chop. Now, one of our student, my dash fellow. His name is Tanmay. He got job recently in a big MNC company. So he'll be sharing his experience, his happiness, his pain, his struggle, everything. He's going to share. Over to him.
So thank you guys. My name is Tanmay, and here I came after my B.tech in the month of December in 2023. So first of all, I don't have any knowledge in software testing and all. So here first day, my one of my friend guided me to join the QSpider. First day you have to go attend one demo class. Then you decided you will join or not. Then first day I came here, I meet with Iskar sir. Then Iskar sir guided me a lot of things about software testing and all. Here I got knowledge. This software testing is another part of in IT industries. Then I joined here. After joining the month of December, I felt the classes are like very good. Classes like it's a family environment and in good environment. Then I take break for 10 days for something else. So here I missed many classes, many things. Then I take to rebatch and start learning things again. And in the month of June and July, I got something another company, but I didn't for that for that something else. I didn't place that location, but then again, instructor guide me a lot of things. They have give me good motivation. Every trainer give me motivation. They come to this spider. Here we will help you. You will definitely give job. Then again, I got motivated. Then again, I came to this spider. The classes are very good. The experts are guiding everything. When any company came, experts are taking the grooming classes. You don't know the experts are taking the grooming classes like 6 to 7 hours. No trainer can do that. He didn't take the lunch, he didn't take the breakfast and all. Morning since 8 o'clock to evening 7 o'clock to he taken the grooming classes. That's why with that have the knowledge, then we can crack any interview. We can crack the outside interview also. So this is my all about experience, and I need to thank my SK sir. The person has helped me a lot. Thank you SK sir, and thank you Chris for that.
Congratulations.
Thank you sir. Thank you.
God bless.